A guide you to know who views your Instagram profile. So open your Instagram, go to the profile there. Here, if it is your personal account, you can go to top three lines and you can scroll to find account type and tools. There you can find account type and tools. From there, you can change your switch account type to professional account. For personal account, you can't see who viewed your Instagram profile. Only for business or otherwise professional account, it can be viewed. So make sure you switch it to professional account. Get back to your account again. And from here, you can see professional dashboard on your profile. So if you tap on that, here it will give you the ability to see the views, interactions, or the followers and the content you shared. And it will also show you trending audio and your ads and the tools on the branded content. So here you can see if you tap on views, and here you can see people who viewed, how many views has been done, and you can't see who viewed your Instagram profile. Thank you.